Got my 2012 Eco Chevy Cruze. It's a 1.4 liter turbo. They had an extended warranty on the cooling system from overheating. It was 10 years or 150,000 miles. It rated 148,000. I took my car in and they wanted over $100 just to look at it. And it was already under warranty. They probably would have did about $1,200 worth of work. I don't know why I didn't just let them do it. But this right here, I've been overheating over the weekend. I overheated. That broke off. And it looks like there's a crack right there. It looks like a crack. Anyways, the new one, they must have known about this problem because look at that. There's a metal or aluminum pipe inside on both of them, so they can't break off. This is made by Dorman. Made in freaking China. Or not China, Taiwan. Right there, Taiwan. It's really sick. At least it's Dorman though. It could be China. This goes right in here. Watch, it slides right down, right there. It slides down in, supposed to slide down in there this way. It goes like that, and then there's a clip over top that clips it in. And I think down in the bottom something holds it in. I can't believe I didn't just pay the Chevy Garage and let them do the warranty work on it. Now I got 155,000 miles. It's not under warranty no more. They won't do nothing for me. I'm on my own. There is something that right at 240, 250 degrees, the car overheats. But I think that they got it so it just starts to overheat, that it doesn't actually overheat and hurt the motor. Because the first time it overheated a couple weeks ago, I put water in and it was okay, but it was probably that cracked, this looks like it's cracked on the bottom. Maybe that's where water was getting out all the time. And I had to keep adding water or Freon, not Freon, antifreeze to it. I'm disappointed I didn't take it to the dealership and let them fix it right. They would have probably put all new hoses, all new belts. I hope this will make it work okay. The check engine light came on after the, and I unhooked the battery and it reset it. Filming in a Sony 4K.